These AI songs are helping small channels to gain substantial views and generate significant revenue. Follow 3 straightforward steps using any basic computer. No fancy GPU required. By the end of this tutorial, you'll witness a stunning result, and it will be effortless to create your own AI song. Part 1. Downloading the song and its vocal. Go to YouTube and search for the song you want to convert into an AI song. After downloading the song, visit this site to separate the vocals and music. Upload the song, and after processing, download the vocal and music files separately. This site is free, but with frequent use, you might encounter restrictions. In such cases, wait and try again later for unrestricted use. Part 2. Find the voice model. To find the voice model matching your desired style, visit this link. Search for the voice model you want. Note that this collection doesn't receive regular updates. For upgraded models, visit this Discord link. Click Accept Invite. After processing, navigate to the left side, and in the Models section, select Voice Models. Among the thousands of models available, locate the one you desire. Click on the model, and you will find detailed information on the right side. Look for a link here. Right-click, and from the Copy Text option, copy it. This action will copy some text with the desired link. Eliminate any unwanted text and copy the voice model link. Open Notepad and save the voice model link there. We are almost finished and will use the link shortly. Part 3. Making the AI song. Computers require expensive GPUs to run resource-intensive software for creating AI songs. Since most users don't have professional PCs, we need a solution that provides free software and can handle the entire process on our behalf. To turn this seemingly impossible task into reality, Google steps into the arena. Access this Google Colab link first. Don't get confused by these chaotic texts. The following 3 steps are so simple that even a 5th grader can complete them with just 3 clicks. For step 1, finalize the installation process by clicking here. Click Continue Anyway, and then Run Anyway. Wait until it stops rotating. Once it has ceased, the installation is complete. Step 2 involves downloading the voice model. Open Notepad, copy the voice model link, and paste it here. Then, run it by clicking here. Once the rotation is completed and a green tick appears, it signifies the completion of the process. Step 3 revolves around the GUI. In simple terms, a visual software interface will manifest after completing this step. Simply click here to run it. This time, there's no need to wait for the rotation to complete. Keep scrolling while it's processing. You'll be presented with a public URL displaying some numbers and letters with gradio.live. Click that link, and finally, our desired software will appear. We are almost done. In the Model option, you'll discover your chosen model already loaded. In this instance, it is Narendra Modi. Click to upload and choose the vocal from the original song downloaded earlier. Wait for the completion of the uploading process. Now, click Convert to morph the original song into Narendra Modi's voice. If any errors occur, refresh the page and attempt the conversion once more. Wait until the processing is finalized. Utilize the 3-dot option to download the result. That concludes the process. If you encounter any errors, attempt to refresh the system. However, if, after refreshing, the issues persist and errors continue to appear, please inspect the Installation tab. If the logo is displayed in red, repeat the steps from the initial installation process. Google Colab is designated for individual allocation for a limited time, and subsequently, it will disconnect automatically. Therefore, if you find yourself disconnected, there's no need for concern. simply reinitiate the process starting from the installation phase. Part 4. Final touch. Upon obtaining the Narendra Modi's vocal, proceed to refine it using any audio or video editor. My preference is CapCut for its user-friendly features. Export both the original song's music and Narendra Modi's vocal. Ensure synchronization and fine-tune the volume as necessary. Finally, export the polished final product. Part 5. Presenting the result.
इश्क में दिल बना है, इश्क में दिल फना है, ओ